How to fix phone lag after security update. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix your phone lag after security update. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. So to fix your phone lag after a security update, first what you'll need to do is be patient. So first wait a few hours for background processes to finish. You'll need to allow time for the phone to optimize and cache new files after the update. After that, you can do a simple restart. Press on the volume up and power button together and then restart your device. This clears out RAM and stops stuck processes. Then you might want to check for small patches. For that, go to your settings. Go to software update by scrolling down till you find system. Tap on it. Then going to system updates. If you see a follow-up patch that fixes the issue, you can download that and then fix the problem. And after doing that, you will also need to make sure, just be on your settings, go to your storage. You'll need to be sure that you have enough space. You'll need to have at least 15 to 20% of your total storage space for optimal use of your device. You will need to free up that much space. If you don't have it, you can always clean up space. You can delete some unused apps and stuff like that. After that, go back to your settings, go to your system again, tap on your reset options, then tap on reset app preferences. Then confirm this, and doing those should fix your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.